kailanman sa aking palad ang iyong pangalan. Malilimutan ba ng ina ang anak na galing sa kanya? Sanggol sa kanyang sinapupunan, paano niyan matatalikdan? Ngunit kahit na malimutan ng ina ang anak niyang tangan, hindi kita malilimutan, kailan may di mababayaan. Hindi kita malilimutan, kailan may di mababayaan. Pabayaan, hindi kita malilimutan, kailan may
When I was child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'll play a song that would never ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. Ooh, yeah. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left a dollar under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. one final dance with him. I'll play a song that would never, ever end. 'Cause I love, 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 love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I'd listen outside her door, and I'd hear how my mama cried for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you send back the only man she loved? I know you don't do it usually, but in love she's stuck in to dance with my father.
Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik bang kahapon? Natatandaan mo pa ba nang tayong dalawa'y unang magkita? Panahon ng kamusmusan, sa piling ng mga bulaklak at halaman, doon